Welcome traders to this video, and today we are going to deal with, I'm representing Marketwise Traders, and we're going to deal with what is CFD trading. Okay, so if you're new to trading or you're already trading, this will be a good video for you. Okay, so CFD is a short term for contract for difference. That's an agreement between an investor and a contract for difference broker to exchange the difference in the value of a financial product between the time the contract opens and closes. So basically it's a contract that you make, a deal which you make with a dealer, a broker, for the change in price of an asset. Okay, so when you as the investor approach your broker who you'll be trading with, you never actually own the asset, but instead you receive revenue, you receive money based on the price change of that asset, isn't it? So there's some advantages of trading contract for difference. This is why it's so popular these days, is because you get access to that asset at a much lower cost. You know, we'll look at this in another video when we speak on leverage. But buying the asset outright, you don't actually buy the actual asset, and it's easy for you to execute. So basically from your computer at home or your smartphone, you can be able to enter the market, you can be able to easily buy or sell. Whereas back in the day, if you are buying an asset like, say for instance, gold, you would have to go to a gold dealer and actually carry your cash and get the physical gold, and then if you want to sell it back, you'd have to take that gold and find another place to sell it at a higher price to make your profit. But with CFD trading, contract for difference, you don't actually own that physical gold. You just say, I'll buy gold now, it's at 1.8, and then you say, I'll sell it back to you when it reaches 1.9. okay, instead of actually going to get the thing. So this is CFD trading. This is why it's so beneficial, right? So a disadvantage is that there's immediate decrease in the money which you would have invested. That's because of the spread. We'll look at spread again in another video. Be sure to follow this playlist and you see all the educational videos I'm giving you the real stuff that matters for trading, guys, and these are foundational principles. That's why we're starting with what is CFD trading. Okay, so yeah, the spread, it reduces your money immediately. That's why at times you'll find you won't be able to open a position, or because of lot size, and that we'll look at that as well in another video. So another risk of CFD trading is that the industry, there is poor regulation. Yes, they say they're regulated, but I can tell you these brokers, the regulation requirements, especially in certain regions, is just so pathetic. It's so poor. Let me just say that. Okay, it's so poor, the regulation, isn't it? And also lack of liquidity on the part of a trader. They can only trade so much capital. That's why we also see people being scammed so much with these so-called trading firms, which give you their money, supposed money to trade. So you have to be on the lookout for that. Okay, as well as margin. Margin, if you ask me, is the most important thing for a trader to understand, and you find very few traders who get into CFD trading know all about margin, and this is what causes them to lose. We'll look at that in another short video in this playlist. But what I want you to understand is that the regulation is not so steep. Anyone with any money, if you have an ID, a proof of residence and money, you can find yourself trading. Whereas to drive a car, you need a driver's license. So some of these things you have to think of them. Okay, so this is what I'm saying. Who can trade CFDs? Okay, what can be traded? So you can trade stocks, shares, futures, commodities, index, forex, even cryptocurrencies. There's so many things which can be traded because brokers, they love this. They love speculation. CFD trading is all about speculation, whether price will go up or go down. So many things it can be traded, right? So whoever missed the requirements, like I was saying to you, that is offered by the broker. So if you meet the requirements, which are not very high for retail traders, so we have institutional traders, which is the big guys, banks, hedge funds. But I tell you what, for anyone to be trading for a hedge fund, a pension fund, or a bank, you got to pass some serious tests. Or even those companies, I'll do a review one day of those who actually do provide funds for trading. You'll find they are very strict in their trading rules. No trading during high news events, limited drawdown. So that is protecting you, and those are people who are serious, and they know what the markets can do to your funds. So this is all CFD trading. So where there's no rules, like with retail traders, they just say, okay, bring your ID, bring your proof of residence, bring your money, and do whatever you want, because they're not concerned, because if you lose your money, it's your loss and their gain. That's the sad truth. So you can trade CFDs. You just get on there, tell them you know something about trading, and they couldn't care less. They will open up your account. So the most popular traded by individuals, retail traders, is Forex, commodities, indices, even stocks, but mainly Forex and commodities, your gold and all this, silver and whatever. It's because the requirements, like I said, they're really low. So which do I recommend you to trade? Whichever you desire to trade. I myself, I trade Forex, a bit of crypto, a bit of gold, but it's not about trading everything. It's about focusing on one pair, one asset where you can be consistent, or where an opportunity arises. The assets where opportunities arise, not trying to be everywhere. Okay. So with all those options, in the next video, I will tell you why many people choose Forex and what Forex is all about. Okay. So I hope this helped you on CFD trading. You can watch this video over and over again. This is actually an extract from our intro to trading course. We've got a 3-level course. This is an intro, so you can watch this video, share it, and make sure you watch the rest in the playlist. This will really help your foundation for trading. We're here to help, and we don't want you to get scammed or to just donate your money to brokers. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Learn, then earn money online. You control your money. You control the risk and the reward. Start from as little as $10. Stop losing to get-rich-quick scams and pyramid schemes. Learn a legitimate skill of online trading. Already a trader? Stop donating to brokers. Become independent. Stop relying on signals and careless account managers. Learn to trade the market maker way. Take our course and follow the rules of big banks and smart money. Get wisdom. Get understanding. Get wealth. Contact MarketWise Traders today.